You want to know how our Type 01 can be set in diameter? In this video, we will show you step by step how it works. The setting method differs for tools above and below diameter 18. The adjustment range is 0.5 mm. To change the diameter, the appropriate spare parts are required. In our example, we changed the tool diameter from 12.0 to 12.4. In this case, we have to change the insert and the guide heads. The first step is to remove the parts. The body and the parts must be clean to ensure an optimum fit. Next, we mount the higher guide pads, then set in the larger insert. Make sure that the Torx is undamaged and please give attention to the force. In the last step, we check the diameter. We position one measuring leg in the center of the guide pad and the second measuring leg with slight pressure on the cutting corner. It makes sense to check it twice to avoid measuring mistakes. Our application engineers will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for your attention.